And also, we have discussed how to load them. We just go to the profile section, select the profile we want to use, and then just load it and apply it to the device. So let's have a look how I can do this on CITREX H4, because this is completely different. I have a CITREX H4 here with me too. And with H4, it is not possible to create the profiles on the device itself. Here it works different. We have to create the profile on the on the SD card of your CITREX H4. So to do that, either we can connect this micro SD card to our computer, what I will do here to demonstrate it, or we can also connect the CITREX via USB cable to our computer. Then it will ask us on CITREX if we want to use it as mass storage device. If we then select yes, we will then see on our computer, if we start the file browser, we will then also see the files which are on our built-in SD memory card. So let's see how it works. I will demonstrate it to you here on the computer. So I'm now connecting my CITREX H4 micro SD card to my computer here. Then I have to open a file browser window. Let's see where my mouse is. Yeah, here it is. So if I now navigate to my SD card, you can see it now on the screen here. There is a folder called Profiles. And in here, all the CITREX H4 profiles are stored. And also on all CITREX H4 SD cards, you will find a file called Profile Editor. And this is the tool to create CITREX H4 profiles. If I want to open it, I will select to open it with Microsoft Internet Explorer, because we use Microsoft Silverlight, and Silverlight is not running with any other browser. So we have to use Internet Explorer here. If you don't have Silverlight plugin installed, then it will maybe ask you to install it. It just takes 1 minute, very easy. Once you have installed it, you see this profile editor now, and we can now create and save profiles here for our CITREX H4. So on the summary page, you can see here, we can add description, save and load profiles. And in the section configuration up here, we can actually do the configuration for the profile we want to save. For example, values here, you know the CITREX H4 screens. We can change the different numeric measurement screens here, which we can access with the square button here. So I can configure what I want to see on the different screens here when I'm switching through them. For instance, here I can change the first page. I don't want to see the flow. For example, I want to see the pressure channel. And I can also change the unit here. The same I can do with all my screens here for graphics. With the triangle button, if I switched through the screens here, I can configure them here the same way. Then trigger settings, I can also change here, interface settings, and miscellaneous here, for example, I can change gas type, gas standard, I want to save as profile. At the end, once I'm done, I can go to the file section, summary, add a description. For example, here I will just add vent A. Then I can save the profile with this button, navigate to my SD card and select the folder profiles. Give it a name. I will choose vent A2 here. Vent A, yeah. Thank you, Janessa. And just save it in this profiles folder by clicking save. So now, when I disconnect my micro SD card from my computer and put it back to my CITREX H4. Let's have a look back at my presentation. So this is how to create it. Then I can load the profile here in my main menu with the X button. I can navigate through my main menu, and the last point in the main menu is called Profiles. By using the circle button up here, I can then switch through the different profiles, which are on my SD card. And now I should also find here, you see, my Vent A profile, which I have just created with the tool. And with the triangle button, I can select it up here. And it asks me if I really want to load it. I have to confirm again with the triangle button like this. And now this profile has been loaded on my CITREX H4. So you see, it works a bit different. The concept is exactly the same. You need the tool here, which is saved on each and every SD card of your CITREX H4 device. So I hope you enjoyed this webinar session with us about CITREX profiles. I want to thank Janessa and Stephanie from our marketing team for their help here during this session. Watch out for the next webinar announcements. We have a lot of more topics prepared for you to show you. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you next time. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.